Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 15 and today I will show you how you can apply this little lens protector to your brand new device. So I'll be using whatever this company is. It gives you a little bit of an image right at the back so you have a little bit of an idea of what you're supposed to do. It's honestly really simple, so I just get everything out of here. Oops. So here we get the actual lens protection and wipes. So let's grab the wipes and start cleaning off the area, like the lenses and around the lenses. You want to also get around it because the glue that will be holding onto it will be gluing to the glass area around the lenses, not the lenses themselves. You can see it's a little bit moist, so let's grab the dry ones. There we go. Okay, so now that that's clean, I'm just kind of keeping this over so dust don't settle on it. Now, as you can see, the lens right here has a couple different kind of like significant areas. So we have this little cutout, almost like a cutout. Then we get the two for actual like your camera lenses, and then I think this is for microphone. So make sure, because sometimes these might be completely differently orientated. So you might need to, for instance, be going at this way or whatever. So before you start applying it, just look. For me, it's supposed to go like this, as you can see. So you can now peel that off. And apply it. When applying, there's no logic, just when you're putting it on, make sure you get around the lenses. There is space for it, which doesn't get glued to anything. So it needs to be basically laying flat with the actual like curve of the lens bump, let's call it. And there we go. It's applied. And your lenses are now a little bit more protected. Now this is actually glass from experience, so it's obviously more protection. If you have some kind of weird discoloration like I did have, or there is a little bit, you can see it, and that's basically just air being stuck there. So if you push it more firmly, hopefully it will get out of there. You can see a little bit more right here around like the very edges. Okay, I think I got rid of it. So there we go. So that is how you'd apply the lens protection to your brand new iPhone. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.